Are you already using ELO touchscreens or touch computers and wondering how to turn them into full POS stations, kiosks, or check-in points? In this video, we'll walk through the main ELO accessories, what they do, and who they're designed for. First, what do we mean by ELO accessories? These are add-ons that attach to compatible ELO devices to give you extra capabilities: power over Ethernet, audio, barcode scanning, payment, and secure identification. Instead of building a custom setup from separate third-party parts, you can use accessories that are designed to match the hardware, mount cleanly, and stay out of the way. Let's start with connectivity and power. The Power over Ethernet module allows certain ELO I-series models to receive both data and power over a single network cable. That's especially useful for wall-mounted or ceiling-mounted screens where running a separate power line is expensive or complicated. The dedicated power bricks and cable kits give you reliable replacement or spare power supplies that match the device's requirements, which helps avoid random compatibility issues. Next, audio. The ELO Edge Connect speaker bar adds clear, forward-facing sound directly to the screen. That's ideal for self-service ordering points, info kiosks, and meeting room panels where you need voice prompts, video audio, or notification tones, but don't want loose desktop speakers taking up space. A big part of the ecosystem is data capture. Edge Connect barcode scanners give you 2D scanning right at the edge of the display. They're used in retail, ticketing, logistics, and self-checkout to quickly scan products, loyalty cards, or QR codes. Because they mount directly to the screen, the station stays compact and customers immediately understand where to present items. Payment and authentication are covered as well. The magnetic stripe reader is designed for cards that still rely on MagStripe, often in loyalty, membership, or closed-loop payment systems. The fingerprint reader offers biometric authentication, typically for staff login, time and attendance, or secure access to sensitive applications. Both accessories help reduce shared passwords and manual entry, which improves speed and accountability. So, who are these accessories made for? They're aimed at businesses that want professional, integrated stations rather than a pile of mismatched peripherals. Retailers, quick-service restaurants, ticketing operators, healthcare check-in desks, and corporate environments all benefit from having peripherals that mount cleanly, match the industrial design of the screen, and can be supported as a single solution. From an operations point of view, the goal is consistency. Using ELO accessories with compatible ELO screens means every lane, kiosk, or workstation looks and behaves the same. That simplifies deployment, training, troubleshooting, and replacement, which is especially important when you're rolling out dozens or hundreds of locations. So when does investing in ELO accessories make sense? If you're building or upgrading POS, kiosks, or check-in points and want a neat, reliable setup with fewer loose devices and cables, these accessories are worth a close look. Think about what each station needs to do: take payment, scan items or IDs, play audio, or run off a single network cable. Matching those requirements to the right accessory set will help you design a cleaner and more dependable solution. To complete a purchase, to learn more about us, or to dive deeper into these products, you can visit us directly at bourdagemedia.com or use the link in the description.